What's the meaning of belated? Belated. Belated.
Belated. Belated. The word belated means something that is delayed or late, typically referring to an event or action that should have happened earlier. It is commonly used to refer to greetings or well wishes, such as belated birthday wishes or belated congratulations on an achievement. The word can also indicate a sense of regret or apology for the delay. For example, someone might offer a belated apology for not responding to a message in a timely manner. Overall, the term belated suggests a sense of lateness or delay, often with a tone of regret or apology attached to it.